Woo! Renata! She's pretty good doing it. I love you, Chelsea. I love you.
Yay! We love you, Renata! You can do it!
They hate me above about 15 feet. That's amazing. She's doing awesome.
Yeah, she said she hated you at the top.
Yeah,
but now she loves you
yeah,
because it's
loves me.
amazing.
She's doing, yay! Best day ever.
Best day ever! Oh crap.
Wait till she gets to the waterfall.
Woo! Swimming the wrong way.
Giggle joy when I was like giggling, waterfall! I just was like, this is awesome.
She's going, she's going.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the waterfall.
We're going to be able to actually watch people from there.
Yeah, which is why I was kind of happy that I'm going to come first, just to be able to see all of you guys go.
I'm so glad you brought your
You have to stop the video when she gets into the waterfall and take a picture for her because it'll just be like Brazilian butt.
I'll try. Oh yeah. Her Beyonce booty.
Beyonce in the waterfall.
I just realized that everything we're saying is on this video. We love you, Renata.
On that rock.
We all got stuck behind that rock. Just wait for her.
Yeah.
And oh my God, what do I do? What do I do? See?
There you go.
She's doing really good. I'm having some serious problems there.
Yeah, she's acting very casual right now. Nice job, Renata. Oh.
She's so cute.
Just walk down.
It's just so lucky because I was like very east of fucking
Yeah, I started to like right where she is now. I'm a lot to the left. Waterfall!
I love going in the waterfall.
Yeah, Renata!
Look at you go.
Yeah, Robin, you like planted yourself in the waterfall.
I know I did. It was because I was like, this is awesome. I wanted to hang out there. I didn't want to leave. I wanted to get like wet. I mean, I've always wanted to be in a waterfall. Like it's been a dream of mine. And now I'm climbing down a thing in a waterfall. Like that, how cool is that? I don't know. It's pretty fucking amazing, really. I love that Renata's doing it too.
Me too.
I feel like she'll be happy at the end.
I know she
She's
will.
already happy. She said I love you.
Yeah.
Seriously. I've been happy with that.
Unless you thought she was gonna die, she just wanted to end well. I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
This is my last goodbye. Tell my parents I love them.
I get very humorous and I'm really fucking terrified. Apparently. I don't know.
Almost at the bottom.
Woo! Renata!
You did really good.
She did. She was really good. God, especially that end part.
Oh, I love her.
She just did all that.
We all did it.
Woohoo!